Hello, my name is Julia Belandia. I am studying agronomy. I am married 11 years ago. I have two children. The oldest is 17 years old. The oldest is 7 years old. I like to travel, enjoy the rivers, and be with my family, my dog, my friends. My time spent in San Andres. San Andres is a beautiful island where you can rest, enjoy food and music. You can dive and see the diversity of fish. I stayed with my family for a week. We stayed in hotel facing the sea. San Andres is a place that all people should visit. For the beautiful, the cost, the drive is economical. We went to occurrence and return home with the using or return. The water on the island. The water is warm, but it's hot and breezy, which always allows you to enjoy its beach, the sea, the tourist sites. It is important that you hydrate and you must not forget to use solar protection. The most beautiful time and south was the sea of 7 colors. We got up early to see the sunrise. It is necessary that you have enough money and you can enjoy their delicious cocktails. Recommendation. It is necessary that they hydrate enough. It is important that people use sun protection. It is a good idea that you buy souvenirs from the natives. It is better to always keep children's clothes. It is a good idea that you can wear a hat. It is recommended that you go to the aquarium. It is important that everyone respects the custom that you have on the island. What should and should not do in San Andres? You should not neglect children. Do not drink alcoholic beverages at sea. You must enjoy the well day or the place. Thank you.